In this video session, we are going to see how to use indirect function to achieve efficiency. So we have a table data wherein we say it is the company ACC, the months and the sales by the company, Ultratech company month and the sale. And here I am interested to find out the total sales generated by Ultratech company and ACC company over the months. Please note that the number of months of these companies are different, and I should be able to write a formula here and drag it down. Imagine if there are like thousands of companies, thousands of rows, so you will not be writing formula in each and every cell. So how that efficiency can be achieved? We have to create tables for this. So what I will do is I'll create table. I'll say insert table, okay, and then by default Excel will give it some name. So let's say I want to name it ACC. I will press enter. This also will create table. So we'll select this area, insert table, and we'll give the name as Ultratech. You can actually achieve lot of things here. We are just as of now computing total sales, but you may be thinking we have to do this table creation. That is also taking time. But let's say if you have to create average sales, or you have to get maximum sales or minimum sales, so you can have like lot of data can be there, right? So it is not only restricted to computing the total sales. So what do we do now? So we will first try to get the sales, like we'll say sum, and we'll click on this. So we have got the sum of sale of ACC. Now this is interesting, right? So you have ACC here and sale here. Now when you press enter, it will come. You can compute here, it comes as 374. This is also 374. You cannot drag it here because it will still remain the same. We have to refer to Ultratech. But one smart thing we can do is we can use indirect and achieve the same thing. So let's see. I will say indirect and I will put this in double quote. Okay. So see, it has given me the same data, ACC sale. But try to understand, this ACC is same as this. I don't want to write it under double quote. I want to refer here. So what we'll do is we'll delete this ACC from here. We will concatenate with this reference K5 and we'll say AND. So it is now saying K5 is ACC and double quote sale. So this thing will give me ACC sale and I will press enter. I can now drag it down. You can see that it is now referring to the Ultratech because Ultratech sum is 60. You can get the same thing like here. Instead of sum, you can use this, copy this actually entire formula. You can paste it here and you can say average, and you can copy it. So average sales of ACC 74.2, and then you can do max, mean, whatever you would want to do. So you can say max here. So max sales of ACC is 93, copy it down, max sale of Ultratech is 30.